I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Vicky B. This is my 5th day on my 7 videos in 7 days series that I'm doing, just trying to get everything straightened up and wiped down and take down my summer decor. And the very last video will be my fall decorate video. So I hope y'all stick around and watch all 7 videos, and if y'all haven't watched the previous ones yet, when you get done watching this one, jump back and start at the one that is my fall decor shopping haul video. And let me know what you think about these. Y'all leave me some comments and let's get right to it. Today we're going to do the kitchen, and I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to clean up in here. So basically I'm just doing like the countertops and washing a few dishes and clean up my stove. But this one's messy right now. It needs some trash took out, and the counter needs wiping down. We leave these dog bowls here just because they're super easy to get to. So that's their home for now, and we feed the dogs twice a day. So it's just so much easier to just leave them right there for now. Got a few dishes in here to wash, a few to put up. I washed my cobweb duster and wiped down the stove. It's just a little messy. And over here, I'm thinking about taking away this basket for now and maybe a couple of other things just to make room for some fall decor on this counter. This is basically the counter that I have to use for anything that plugs in, because there was one plug right here in this entire kitchen. That's the only plug I had when we moved in, and my husband put these up here so that I actually do have more I guess you call them outlets to plug stuff into, and it's safer because I guess it'll trip off if it gets overloaded, but I don't think that's ever had to happen. But I've got a whole nother counter space on the other side, and I can't put anything over there that plugs in. So this counter stays pretty full of my stuff that plugs in. Anyway, back to the subject. It's pretty dirty on this counter too, so I'm just gonna wipe it down. We're gonna get everything ready so I can decorate in here for fall in a couple of days. that's the end of today's video, y'all. Just a quick clean of the counters and the sink. I will be taking these drying mats up before I film my fall decorate video and put down probably my plain green ones, unless I find some fall type ones, but I don't think I will. I haven't seen any. And cleaned up my stove, eliminated a lot of clutter from this area so that I can put a few fall type things over here. And that's about it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. There's gonna be 2 more. Tomorrow's will be cleaning my dining room and undecorating it. There's quite a bit of summer stuff in the dining room area. And then the next day is gonna be the fall decorate with me. So I hope y'all stick around for this whole little series. Y'all have a good day. See you tomorrow.